Would you believe that this organizing project took me over 6 months to complete? It's funny because it feels a little silly when I look back at it, but the actual project, the actual like organizing and decluttering here took under 10 minutes. What took over 6 months was for me to actually sit down and get it done. So that little shelving unit that I showed you at the beginning, that's been living in my laundry room for years and years, and it holds all of our like cleaning cloths and rags. When one of my kids went to sleepaway camp just like for the weekend last summer, I decided to take all of the rags out and repurpose that little shelf and send it with her to camp so she could have all of her like clothes and camp stuff in there nice and organized next to her bed. In my mind, we were going to use that little shelving unit for the weekend for her camp. It was going to come back and it was going to be like the perfect opportunity for me to go through all these cleaning cloths, these rags, all this stuff that I really haven't gone through in a long time, and just declutter and reorganize it. But because I like create content here and I film, it just never felt like the right time. Like whenever I was like in the mood to go through all of this stuff, my hair wasn't done, my makeup wasn't done. Not that I need to have all of that done, obviously, to create content, but like I was just like a hot mess every time I thought about that project. And that like basket with all of our rags and everything was just sitting on my couch in my living room for the longest time and annoying me every single day. I'd finally had enough and I decided today was the day. It's okay. I was in my sweats, I was in my around the house clothes, but I was going to get it done. So all of the rags, all of the stuff that was in that like gray basket came out, and I divided and sorted into different types. Some I use for floors, some I use for bathrooms, you know, there's dusting ones, there's just various types of stuff. So I divided everything up into the little categories, and then I went through each of those categories because there was too much and I decluttered a bunch of it. I had a bit of a hard time with this, and I find a lot of my like organizing clients do too, because rags can be like, oh, it's like an old t-shirt cut up and this is really good for cleaning, and you can almost never have too many cleaning cloths and rags because you never know when you're going to need them. But you can have too many. So for me, like this is the space that I keep all of this, and it all needs to fit comfortably in here. If it doesn't fit comfortably in here, we have too many. And that's one of the reasons I really advise people to use a bin or basket or something like that, because it contains and gives you a defined space for the item, the category of item that you are organizing. And we all need limits, right? Otherwise we can just collect and collect and collect, whether it's cleaning cloths, whether it's stuff in your kitchen, whether it's craft supplies. We need to have limits to what we keep, because otherwise it's just too much to maintain. So after I decluttered and I went through everything, I wanted to make sure things were folded. I decided to file fold in a way that I can see everything at once when I open the drawers. This way it just makes it easier to grab and put everything away when I need it. When you're getting rid of linens or towels or stuff like that, you should always contact your local SPCA. Often they will take old linens to use in their like crates and for the animals and everything, or check out a local textile recycling program in your area. Anyway, I'm just so glad that I finally got this project done today. It is such a weight off of my shoulder. Let me know in the comments what project you have that would be quicker in reality than in your mind.